Meet Lucey. When you quilt with Lucey, you'll quickly understand why APQS quilting machines are known for high quality and ease of use. Lucey delivers the same 26-inch throat space as our top-of-the-line machines, making it an exceptional value. She's very strong, but extremely lightweight, weighing in at a modest 44 pounds. Her weight allows for easy movement. Baste and load quilts quickly with Lucey's horizontal straight line lock. You can order your Lucey with either an 8-foot, 10-foot, or a 12-foot standard table. There are no junctions in the rails or the poles on our sturdy table, and you won't find any plastic on our frame. Lucey can also be upgraded to a Deluxe table. With the Deluxe table, you also have the option to add overhead lighting and automatic quilt advance. And for the ultimate Lucey long arm machine setup, add our computerized quilting system to your Lucey. Quilt Path and Lucey will give you perfection from day one, bringing your imagination and dreams to life. If you're looking for that perfect machine, Lucey delivers an unmatched experience with intuitive features and simple maintenance. APQS standard machine features are really anything but standard. Proudly handcrafted in the heartland of America, APQS machines are unlike anything else because they're designed with the quilter in mind. Quilt with confidence, knowing that your machine is extremely easy to use and maintain, all while being backed by an industry-leading lifetime warranty on parts and labor. That's right, a lifetime warranty. But with APQS, the standard features don't stop there. All machines come equipped with the legendary APQS stitch regulator, so you're assured you'll have perfect stitches every time you quilt. Our machines also deliver an unbeatable needle speed of 3,500 stitches per minute. That means you'll have beautiful and even stitches as you float over your quilt top using the fingertip touch controls on the independently adjustable handles. Our single stitch button is built into every handle switch for easy access right at your fingertips. Use this feature to easily yet precisely place basting stitches exactly where you want them. Also, on each handle is a start-stop button. It doesn't matter if you're left or right-handed, you can start or stop your machine without thinking of which button to push. Our machines are built with ergonomics and comfort at the core. The front handles on all machines are independently adjustable and feature tilting hand grips to help you enjoy longer quilting sessions comfortably. We know that stitch visibility is critical. Our machine's LED lighting illuminates your work area, from the needle to the machine's throat, with bright light, so you can see every stitch and every detail as you quilt. A built-in black light provides contrast when stitching with white thread on a light quilt or other difficult-to-see thread and fabric combinations. Our machine's incredibly simple thread path uses a single tension knob, making setting tension incredibly simple. All machines come ready to accept different optional feet for the different kinds of quilting you do. Our quick change hopping foot makes it simple to change out the machine's standard hopping foot for another foot based on your quilting needs. You'll love how easy it is to follow a paper pattern with our laser light stylus. Move the laser to the front of the machine to trace block designs and motifs from the needle side of the machine. Move the laser to the rear of the machine for edge-to-edge and pantograph work. Power is supplied directly from the machine, so you'll never have batteries to replace. Your machine also comes equipped with your choice of bobbin size, either our L or M bobbin. You simply choose to have it made at the factory with the size bobbin you desire. And when it's time for maintenance, it couldn't be any simpler. There are 4 little wicks found on the top of our machines. To determine whether your machine needs oil, simply touch the wick, and if there is a sheen on your finger, no need to oil. If your finger is dry, it needs 1 drop of oil. We also recommend that each day you use your machine, blow out the bobbin area and place a drop of oil in the hook assembly. That's it. After all, you're a quilter and not a mechanic. That is why we designed our machines to be incredibly easy to care for. If you'd like to learn more about our machines, visit apqs.com to find the retailer closest to you, or to find out when our APQS Roadshow team will be in a city near you. APQS Quilt Forever.